a bit wayward to the left-hander.
And she has made it. She's made the adjustment on the stumps. Square leg fielder on the fence, fine leg fielder on the fence. There you go. Straight. You miss, I hit. That's the advantage.
Chetri goes for 4. It's a 6 for 1.
Beautiful. When it rains, it pours. When you have 4.
Oh, finds the gap. Lovely touch. Lovely touch to find the gap and find the boundary. Shot again. This time she eases it into the gap. Nicely bowled once again. A big strong appeal and it's been given. Things that she needs to review it.
Third umpire to director. We have a player review for LBW. Ball passes close to the bat. Thank you. I'm satisfied there is no bat involved. Pitching is outside off. Impact is in line. Wickets are umpire's call. And make your signal now.
She goes for 13. India 35 for 2. Swept away very nicely.
Possibly outside the line of off stump, but the umpire feels it's adjacent.
The debutant goes for 5. India 48 for 3. But a wayward delivery from Fletcher.
That's better. That's why experience happens.
Oh, popped out.
Down the track. Clears the infield and will go for 4. Finds the gap. Trying to go much fuller.
It was Kiana Joseph.
Oh, another one gone down. Oh, the gap this time. Just finding it very easily and she will race away. Back-to-back 50s for Smriti Mandhana. Aerial finds the gap. One bounce into the boundary. Quicker, quicker, and it's 6 this time. This should be taken finally. Smriti Mandhana is caught.
Goes for 62 after 41 deliveries.
Richa Ghosh powers away, finds the gap. Oh, bit of a yes and no. That should be an easy run out.
Deepti Sharma, 108 for 5 India.
Once again an appeal and it's being given.
Third umpire to director. We have a player review for LBW. Bat passes over the ball. There's a gap on the left-hand side. Roll it through. Thank you. I'm satisfied there is no bat involved. Pitching is in line. Impact is in line. Wickets are hitting. And make your signal now.
And she goes for 2. 113 for 6.
The excellent shot from Richa Ghosh.
Hit by Richa, it stays hit. There's a fielder, but the ball is protected by Deandra Doughton from sailing over the boundary. Power again from Richa Ghosh. And in the bargain, they're offering her width outside the off stump. Bowled yet again. What a stop! Oh, what a catch! But they'll just confirm it.
Third umpire to director. We have an umpire review for a bump ball. Okay, thank you. We can see the ball has come off the bat there. The ball is in the glove. Roll it through.
144 for 7. Big hit. There's a Deandra Doughton. And there is a Deandra Doughton in the outfield who will take that catch.
She goes for 7. 149 for 7.
Another one for Deandra Doughton. This time it's grasped. Once more is an opportunity. Steadies herself.
Saima Thakur goes for 6. It's 1-5-5-8.
Renuka Singh Thakur has put back to ball. Will she come back for the 2? There's an opportunity, but no, doesn't require. Pull straight, misses as Renuka Singh Thakur. India will remain at 1.